Welcome back, students. In this lesson we're going to study an aspect of square numbers that shows that we can just arrange them as a square array. We can arrange 36 dots, 36 bananas, 36 of anything into a square pattern. Okay, for example, 36 can be arranged as 6 rows of 6. Now there's many other ways to arrange 36. We can arrange it as 3/12s and so on. Now look what's happening here. When we look at the prime factors of 36, we notice that there are two 2's making up 4 and two 3's making up 9. So 4 by 9 is indeed equal to 36. But the important thing here in terms of looking at it as a square is that we arrange one of each of these to be, now let's see which is which. So the red stuff is the vertical, and the green stuff is the horizontal. So if we click one of each factor, or an equal number if there was 4 of them. So if we split the 2's and split the 3's, we get 6 via 5 times 6. Now some of them are much simpler, like if you key in 20. Okay, let's go through them from the bottom. So from 4 you can have two 2's, or you can have 4 by 1. Okay, and if they're both red means horizontal, green means vertical. Okay, so let's key in 9. Of course you can key in 1, by the way, real quick, but that has to be a square. Okay, key in 9. There's only 2 ways of doing it. Okay, so 16 though will give us many choices. 16 is a highly composite number with loads of 2's in it. Okay, so it did automatically switch it to a square, but we could also arrange it as 2 8's. We've done 36 already. 49, while it's a big number, is very simple because it's 7 7's. Okay, 64 is again and more, just loads of 2's. It's a power of 2. It's 2 to the 6. And if we have 3 of each, and maybe you want to arrange it that way, 3 of each, we get our perfect square. Okay, now in other squares, we'll pick up off this list the online encyclopedia of integer sequence. It's a very interesting website, and we get all the squares here. So I'm going to go to something kind of complicated like 441. Okay. Oops. So here you see there's 2 3's and 2 7's. So we want each of the 3's to be green and red, and now we end up getting a perfect square, 21, and so on. So you should have great fun jumping over and back from here. I might just add that list as well to our up as far as 2,500. I'll add that list to our text, just to make it maybe some bit easier for you to get at it. Okay, but I'll do that in due course. So guys, as always, click above to interact with the app, or below if you're on YouTube, and I'll see you in the next one.